Does your company often need to store or transport plain metals such as steel, brass, copper, or aluminum? But preferably without them starting to rust during that time. MetPro has now developed a safe solution. Our highly efficient VCI or desiccant packaging system protects your products from corrosion so that they are ready for use at any given time. Do you know how rust is formed in the first place? It needs three key elements: metal, moisture, and air. If all three come together, an electrochemical reaction starts, which is called corrosion. During this reaction, rusting takes place. But if only one of these three elements is missing, the reaction won't start, and the rust will be prevented. This is the exact phenomenon the MetPro system uses. The desiccant packaging method deprives the rust formula of the moisture. The metal product is shrink-wrapped into a moisture-proof composite aluminum foil, and if enough desiccant is added, it will permanently absorb the remaining non-diffusing moisture from within the packaging. The Vci packaging method begins at one of the reactive elements, the metal itself. Of course, this does not mean that your products get lost. The principle is the following. MetPro manufactures a packaging material that is based on paper or polyethylene, both high-grade and recyclable carriers of active agents, which releases a so-called volatile corrosion inhibitor. These VCI molecules create a protective layer on the metal surface, so the metal won't be able to react with neither the air nor the remaining moisture anymore. The VCI will volatilize completely after unpacking, and your products will be ready for use without any delay. Another important aspect? Up until now, these corrosion inhibitors have only been fabricated in connection with nitrates or amines, so there was the danger of nitrosamines forming organic chemical compounds that pose a health risk for the employees. Since there have been no effective alternatives, many packaging manufacturers tolerated the use of these materials to a certain degree. Now MetPro thrusts forward with innovation. For years, a Vci Agent has been developed that is completely free of nitrates and amines. Their place is taken by natural extracts from coconut, cranberries, and milk. That's why we call it Bio-VCI. Long-term tests have proven another advantage of Bio-VCI. Besides its beneficial factor for the health of the employees, it has the best protective effects on almost all kinds of metals. No matter if it's screws, construction parts, or entire machines, packaging materials by MetPro come with the right size, thickness, and form. We at MetPro will be happy to consult with you. After all, we want your products to be packaged just right and the appropriate packaging method to be used in any given case. Feel free to put us to the test. MetPro, protecting your world.